In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Studio Sound and Descript. Studio Sound is Descript's smart audio enhancement that cleans up background noise, evens out levels, and gives your recording a more polished, studio-like finish. Whether you're working with a voiceover or a video with dialogue, this feature can make a big difference with just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the exact workflow. First, upload your media. You can drag your audio or video file straight into Descript, or click the upload button if you prefer browsing to your file. Once the import finishes, you'll see your track appear in the timeline. If you brought in a video, the audio will be linked to it, and that's totally fine. Next, select the track you want to enhance. Click directly on the audio or video layer in the timeline so it's highlighted. This tells Descript which track you're planning to improve with Studio Sound. Now open the Properties panel. You'll find it on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, make sure the track is selected so the panel shows settings for the item you clicked. The Properties panel is your control center for everything we're about to do. In the Properties panel, scroll to the section labeled Audio Effects. This is where Descript groups all processing options. Look for the plus button to add a new effect, then choose Studio Sound and toggle it on. The moment you enable it, Descript begins enhancing your audio in the background. Give it a second if your file is long. Processing time can vary based on the length and complexity of the recording. Once Studio Sound is enabled, you'll see an intensity control, typically a slider or dial. This is where you fine-tune how strong the effect should be. Start somewhere in the middle and play your project to hear the results. If your original recording is noisy or echoey, nudging the intensity higher can tighten it up. If the voice starts to sound too processed or unnatural, dial it back until it feels clean but still authentic. Small adjustments go a long way. As you listen, you can toggle Studio Sound off and on to compare and make sure you're improving clarity without losing character. If your timeline has multiple clips, apply the effect to the specific layer you selected so you're enhancing exactly what you intend. And that's it. Upload your media, select the track, open the Properties panel, add Studio Sound and audio effects, and adjust the intensity for a balanced professional sound.